Yes.
Yeah, we will do lesson 11.8, volume of rectangular prisms. You have, like example, girls, in one question, you have 4 triangles attached together. So you will find each volume of a rectangle and then you will add them. How can you use an everyday object to
estimate the volume of a rectangular prism?
Can you hear that? Can you hear that, girls, or no? How can you use an everyday object to estimate the volume of a rectangular prism? Hello.
Hi there. Tomorrow, the neighbors have decided to plant new flower beds in their front yard. They're going to need a lot of dirt.
Can you hear it or no, girls?
The neighbors
Yes,
have
yes, we can.
They're wondering how much dirt their truck's bed can hold.
I don't know what happened to this.
The bed of their truck is 5 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 2 feet tall.
So what about the length of the truck is 5 feet. The width,
it looks like their truck's
the height
bed
is
can
2
hold
feet.
a lot of dirt. But how can the neighbors be sure it's going?
So girls, what are you going to do? Of course, when I say volume, you need to multiply 5 times 4 times 2.
Let's work through a problem and find the volume of a prism.
See, this is your first question on in your book. This is the first question in your book. Page number 681. Come on.
Yuan's prism has 5 layers since it has a height of 5 cubes. How many inch cubes are in each layer?
First, let us read the question again.
Yuan built a rectangular prism using 1-inch cubes. The prism has a base that is a rectangle and has a height of 5 cubes. What is the volume of the rectangular prism Yuan has built?
Now, girls, like example, I have joined all these rectangles. How many rectangles are there, girls? How many rectangles do you see there? Again, how many rectangles you see? If you join them all, how many rectangles are there? Okay, tell me the length. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the width is 1, 2, 3. Do you agree to this? Girls, are you listening? Hello? Grade 5 girls.
Miss, hello, I couldn't press unmute.
That means, is my voice not clear? Is it lagging?
No, it's good.
Okay, anyways. When nobody answered, I was like, maybe I am out of the room and I'm just shouting. Anyways, so that's what they say. How many rectangles you see here? I see 5 rectangles.
Each layer has 3 rows of 5 cubes. So each layer has 15-inch cubes.
Like, see again.
You can use a table to find the total volume for all.
Like, this is 1. I have 5 times 3, 15. So I have 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. If I take volume of 1 cube, I have 15. The other cube, 15. I take all the volumes and I add all the volumes. So this is called a rectangular prism. This is the volume of rectangular prism. I take the volume of all the rectangles and then I add them.
5 layers of the prism. You know that one layer of the prism has 15 cubes. Now we can complete the table by adding 15 cubes for each additional layer.
Tell me, girls, when you add 2, you will have 30 layers. When you add 3 plus 15, 45. When you add 4, 60. When you have 5, you have 75. Till here, is this clear?
What rule can you use to find the volume of the 5-layer prism? To find the volume, you multiply the height of the prism, 5 cubes, by the number of square units in each layer, 15. The number you multiply the height by represents the area of the base, or the number of cubes in each layer. So the volume of Yuan's rectangular prism is 75 cubic inches.
Did you understand how you got 75? For one layer, you have the volume of the cube is 15. So for 5 layers, you will have 15 times 5, that is 75. Is this clear, girls? If you want me to show you your page and how to finish up writing, just see here and please complete writing. You need to write this. The volume increases by the number of cubic. Don't write these possible answers here, but write the whole thing. The volume increases by the number of cubic unit in each layer. 12. Possible answer here. Don't write the area of the base shape of the number of cubes in each layer. And total you have 48 because they have asked you for 4. When they have asked you for 4, it is 4 times 12, that is 48. Did you understand? It's not in your test or exam, but these are the basics. When you go to grade 6, you must be knowing this.
Miss, if you're talking right now, we can't hear you.
I was not talking. I am quiet. I want you all to complete and you all to say me that did you finish or no? Let me know if you have finished. Did you finish, guys? No idea whether you're writing. Next question. What are the dimensions of the box? Told us the box can hold 6 layers of 24 beads. And you know that 6 and 4 is 24. So 6 and 4 is the dimension. And you will multiply them. 24 and 6, I get that 144. I multiply 24 with 6 layers because there are 6 layers. In one layer, you have 24 beads. So 6 layers will have 24 times 6, that is 144. The base has the length 6 centimeters. How many cubes you see here, girls? If you count, how many cubes you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the width, and this width have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. But why did I multiply this 24 to 6? Why did I multiply to 6? Because there are 6 layers. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth, and fifth. That's why I multiply to 6 and I get 144. Did you finish, girls? Finished?
Yes.
It's just because it's end of the day. You all are so tired. Okay. How much is the length of the rectangular prism? It's 4.
You're so laggy.
Really? The length,
You're really
What?
laggy.
the width is 5 and the height is 6. If you multiply first the length and width, I get 20.
Hello, miss.
Multiply to 6, I get 120. Very simple. First, I multiply the length and the width. I get 20. Then this 20 I multiply to the height. Then I get 29 times 6. That is
You're really laggy.
what? Okay, just write it down. Write it down. I will continue tomorrow.
Miss, what did you say? You're
I
so
said-
laggy.
I said that this is the length 4 and you have the width 5. When you
What?
multiply, you get 20.
Oh, okay. Now you're not.
And then you multiply to the height, you get 120 inch cube.
Yeah, I understood.
Same way, 2 multiplied by 3 and then 3 multiplied 6. Then 6 multiplied by 3, you get 80. Multiply all the 3 numbers and you get it. 2 times 6, 12. 12 times 1 is 1, 12. Done?
Yeah. Wait, not yet. Done.
Okay, good. On your own, don't do this one. Question number 4.
Miss, is this going in our test?
No, it's not in the test. Girls, I will do tomorrow the